Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube account without a phone number. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can create a YouTube account without adding a phone number by simply creating a Google account and skipping the phone number step. Now, the best way to do this on mobile is open up a web browser. I'm using Firefox for this. So what we need to do is go ahead and type in Google account. Then click into Google Accounts, or just simply go to accounts.google.com. Now from here, we want to go ahead and it will say use your Google account, but we don't want to go in and click on create account. Now on this option, click on for my personal use. Now we want to give ourselves a name, so go ahead and put in your name, then click next. Now we want to go ahead and enter in our birthday, choose your gender, and then click next again. Now on this page here, it's going to say create an email address. So basically with this, creating a Gmail account, this is a Google account, you can use this to sign into your YouTube account. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. You can go ahead and create your own Gmail address, but I'm just doing this for this demonstration. Now create a strong password. So just create a strong password, click confirm, click next, and then you've created that Google account. Then from there, basically come on over to YouTube, and then you want to sign in with that account you just created. So go ahead and put in your email and also your password. It might ask for a verification, so it will send you a verification to your phone and use that to sign in.